Solve 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equals to 0 using the quadratic formula. Calculate the discriminant and state the nature of the roots. So this is very important question. First we can do comparing the given equation which 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0 with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So we get a equals to, here is x square which coefficient is 2. Then b, x coefficient is minus 7. Then c is a constant which is 3. Right? Now calculate the discriminant. So we can write, so discriminant d equals to b square minus 4ac. So what does mean? B is a minus 7, then square minus 4 times a means 2, c means 3. So minus 7 square is 49. 2 times 4, 8. 8 times 3 is a 24. So here is 25. Once we subtract 24 from 49. Hence, since d greater than 0, because 24 is a greater than 0, so we can decide, so two distinct real roots once d greater than 0. Now let's check. So as per quadratic formula, x equals to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divide 2a. So minus b means minus 7 plus minus root over, we already get b square minus 4c equals to 25. So we can put in here 25. 2a, it means a means what? Here is a 2. So we get minus and minus, it will be plus, plus minus. Root 25 is a 5. Divide 2 times 2, it will be 4. So we already understand we will get two distinct real roots. It means here once positive x equals to 7 plus 5 by 4, it means 7 plus 5 is a 12 by 4 equals to 3. Once negative x equals to 7 minus 5 by 4, 7 minus 5 is a 2, divide 4. So once we divide 2 by 4, we will get 0.5, right? And this is our answer. So x equals to either 0.5 or 3, and it's a reality of d greater than 0. Okay, so thank you very much for being with me. This video I'm trying to solve a very important math based on quadratic formula and discriminant. I hope you understand. If you have any question, please write a line in the comment section and also share with your idea what types of math we will focus more. So till then, take care, keep practice, and don't forget subscribe my channel. Thank you.